Hey guys, what's up? It's Ruth. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, hi, I'm back again. So if you just stumble upon this video, I'm Ruth. I do a lot of different types of videos, mostly makeup related videos. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I posted a new video. So guys, as you can see on the title down below, I will be reviewing another eyeshadow palette that I got a few weeks ago. So I've been gone for a few weeks already and I'm so excited to film again for you. So ang gagawin natin ngayon ay i-review natin itong ABH RIVIERA palette. So medyo nagdalawang isip pa ako kasi merong isang purple shade dito sa palette na to na talagang parang gusto kong gamitin. So I'm not gonna say na first time ko tong buksan kasi nabuksan ko na siya, nakita ko na what's inside, na-swatch ko na using a brush. I also swatch it pero dito lang, hindi ko pa siya na-try sa eyes ko. So na-swatch ko na siya using my finger, using a brush. So this is what the packaging looks like. So ayan, andito yung picture nung colors na makukuha nyo sa palette. And basically, ito yung palette. Sobrang ganda niya. Medyo nag-aalangan ako kasi hindi talaga ako malinis sa mga palette. So, ano siya? Para siyang denim. Let's see how this one goes. Kung paano ba siya pag nadumihan. Pero mukhang mahirap tanggalan ng stains kapag nagkaroon ng stains. So ito yung palette. As you can see, meron ng mga dips dyan. Kasi na-try ko na nga siya with the brush. In-swatch ko siya with the brush and then with my finger as well. So, just like a typical Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, eyeshadow palette, meron siyang mirror na meron siyang protection and then meron siyang film, protection film, tapos meron din kasama na dual-ended na brush. So the eye primer that I'm using right now is the Revolution Cat Crease Canvas. Ito yung sinasabi nilang dupe for the P. Louise base, and I already have the P. Louise base, but I'm going to do a separate video for that para ma-share ko din sa inyo yung thoughts ko about it. Because we're using a lot of colors, gusto ko mag-pop pa yung colors a little more. So, hindi ko isa-set yung base ko. So, ayan guys, naka-zoom in na tayo sa aking face and nakikita nyo na ang aking mga sumpa sa mukha. And I'm really, really glad to say na at least scars na lang yung mga naiwan dyan and dark spots, konti na lang yung ating tagyawats. So, we're going to first dip in to a state. Ito siya. Sobra palang daming kickback. Nadip ko na kasi yung brush ko kanina. And tingnan nyo naman, yung kickback niya, sobrang dami. Nakaka-disappoint. Parang yung subculture palette na na-swatch ko na siya. Pero let's see, kasi minsan iba siya when you put it on the eyes already. So, we're gonna dip into a state and we're gonna use that as the transition shade. So, what I'm doing basically is I'm just tapping the product on my eyes. So, ganyan. Tap mo lang. Tapos, you blend it a little bit on the edges para hindi siya masyadong harsh. Because gusto kong i-warn everybody na I think the formula is just like the same as the subculture palette. So, ganun din. Put the product in and then blend to the side. Blend nyo lang yung edge to the side. And I'm gonna be taking Cabana. So, ang gagawin natin kay Cabana is we're going to put that on like the inner corner, and we're gonna be tapping that shade. I will be taking yung vibrant shade, and it's called Bahamas. Ipapatong ko siya dun sa mga transition shade. So, itatap ko lang siya para ma-build ko yung color. It's so nice, especially when you're tapping it. Purple shades, sobrang hirap nilang gawin, and talagang mahirap kunin yung pigment payoff. So, let's see how this one worked. So, I'm just gonna put that on the outer V of my eyes, and then dragging it into the inner corner, just like that. As you can see, harsh yung line niya. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take our fluffy brush on the other side, and then we're going to just blend out the edges. And just drag it into the inner corners, and then make sure you blend them out, because they're really hard to blend. Since we are seeing a lot of harsh lines, we are going to take the shade Monte Carlo, and then we're going to blend out the purple edge with the shade. So we'll be taking the shade Palm. Ito yung parang dark brown. Now I'll be packing that sa outer V para lang ma-define ng kaunti yung ating eyes. I was really bad at working with colors, especially colorful eyeshadows. Kailan lang ako medyo natututo gumamit ng eyeshadows, and I'm also having a little bit of a hang of not setting the base, because I'm used to setting the base, pero yun nga, mas nakikita ko naman yung difference na talagang iba kapag hindi mo sinet yung eyeshadow mo. Mas okay yung payoff ng color. So, what we're going to do is we're gonna take a flat brush, and we're going to cut the crease already. Ayun. So, that technique, nakuha ko siya sa isang YouTuber. Sobrang helpful siya. Maglagay ka lang ng konting concealer or base, tapos iganon mo. So, kung saan tatama yung next na concealer, dun mo siya ikakat. Ko yung shade na Sales, yun yung white shade dito sa palette. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa may pinaka inner corner. Ito naman shade ay Inheritance. So ito, sobrang gandang shade nito kasi it's like a gold, pero ano din siya, medyo marami talagang fallout. I'm gonna be using Yacht. I'm gonna be using the Three of the Shimmers para medyo okay siya. We're gonna put that right here. Dun lang sa may pinaka-outer ng, parang outer corner ng Okay, so once we already put the shadows in, sobrang na-amaze ako sa shimmery shades or sa metallic shades. So once I'm happy with the eyes, I'm already happy with this look already. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pop some eyeliner and then some lashes, and I will be back to do my full face. We're gonna pop up a little bit of primer. I'm using the It's You Skin Smoothing Primer by, what's this? SISTAR Cosmetics. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using the LA Colors Truly Matte in Golden Beige. course, don't forget the neck. Don't forget the neck. Don't forget the neck. Ang gagamitin kong concealer ngayon ay ang It's You concealer by SISTAR Cosmetics USA too. So, kanina pala, di ba sabi ko babalik ako with my eyeliner. Pero, ang ate girl ninyo, bumalik. Naka-eyeliner pero walang eyelashes. So, I'm gonna just pop on my eyelashes and I will be back. So, I'm back with my lashes now. So pretty. So that wraps up the look. I will be back for my final thoughts and my final look.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo ay matagal kong ay nakita kong isang babae. Ko malimutan ang kanya imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? Ako'y di mapakali. Gustong mawagan ng iyong mga kamay. Hanggang ngayon hindi mapalagay.
So, that was the demo and sana nagustuhan niyo yung look na ginawa ko. So, my final thoughts about the Riviera Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So, is it worth my money? Basically, I'm not really sure. If you're a collector, maybe, of makeup. I mean, I'm a collector too, pero I think there's more palettes that can give you the same pigment and payoff, where you can just pay a little bit of box instead of $42, $45 palette like ABH. Pero it's only my opinion. Everything is 100%. I'm not being biased. I'm just speaking my mind and kung ano bang tingin ko. So, if you want to try the Riviera palette, it's up to you. Free to do it. Nobody's stopping you. I'm just saying my thoughts and my reviews. So, comes to the packaging, cute shot, parang very hippie, very, very cute. Especially the stripes, yung blue and white, parang very summery vibes. When it comes to the color, it was so nice. Kaya na-catch niya yung eyes ko. It's great that it comes with a brush too and comes with a mirror. Medyo concerned ako about the kickback of the shadows. It's like really too much compared to my other eyeshadow, and especially compared to the Modern Renaissance. The metallic shadows were really nice. They're really pigmented and they were so creamy. As you can see, this one's my favorite shade. Glides on so easy. The pigment shades like Bahamas and Canis, I'm really having a hard time working with them, maybe because I'm not used to having I'm not used to not setting my base, but I can really see the difference kapag hindi mo sinet yung base mo eh. And it's really pigmented, but you need to be very careful, especially packing them on. Medyo mahirap silang i-blend. Yung purple shades ang concern ko doon, kapag biniblend ko siya, nawawala siya. So, medyo nagiging patchy siya, for my opinion only. Maybe it's me, hindi kasi ako masyadong magaling mag-blend ng eyeshadows, but for overall, it was a really nice palette. The only concern that I have is the kickback. Tsaka yung price, medyo mahal talaga siya compare sa ibang palette. If you really want to like just learn and just discover or explore more about colors, there's a lot more palettes out there na kayang ibigay yung same payoff and same quality. as compared to the ABH Riviera palette by. So for my final thoughts, it's okay. Hindi ako masyadong na-amaze with the pigment kasi compared to I already have my James Charles palette, hindi ako masyadong na-amaze, pero I will keep it. I will still use it pag feel ko. So yun lang ang masasabi ko. And so if you kung nagustuhan niyo tong look na to, don't forget to like and comment on this video and suggest some more videos na pwede kong gawin sa aking channel. So update nga pala sa aking giveaway. Natanggap na ng winner giveaway ko na Instax. So for future giveaways, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so you get updated whenever I post a new video. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Till my next video, I'll see you.